Drooping eyelids are associated with appearing tired and older. Some feel that improving their drooping eyelids will improve their self-confidence, physical appearance, and make them feel more attractive. The weight from a drooping eyelid may also tire the muscles of the eye and cause fatigue. Other possible causes have been said to be thyroid dysfunction, fatigue, smoking, and increased oxidative stress. So, if you have sagging eyelids, you should be following these simple and easy home remedies. Egg white mask. All you're going to need is one egg white. Egg whites tighten and firm your skin. With using an egg white, you will see results in a few minutes. Make sure your eyelid doesn't have any makeup and is dry. Crack open an egg and remove the yolk. All you're going to need is the egg white. Hold your eyelid closed and dip a cotton swab into the egg white. Rub the cotton swab across the crease of your eyelid. Keep holding your eyelid closed and wait for the egg white to dry, or you could sit in front of a fan to speed up the time. Then wash it off with cool water. You'll be able to see the results immediately. It's recommended that you do this application up to 3 times a week. Cucumbers. Not just for salads, cucumbers are an excellent remedy for drooping eyelids. All you need to do is put some slices of chilled cucumber over your eyelids and let them stay for 15 to 20 minutes. Cucumber is good in hydrating skin and restoring the skin firmness, which is the need of the hour. Besides, cucumber is a good source of potassium and vitamin C that help in treating drooping eyelids. Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera Gel contains antioxidants which help to treat sagging eyelids. It helps to tighten the eyelids and also keep your lashes hydrated and moisturized. Aloe vera is a great option if you're suffering from sagging or dry eyelids. Take some aloe vera gel and massage your eyelids with it. Do this regularly to treat sagging eyelids. Ice cubes. Another quick and easy home remedy is treat sagging eyelids is using ice cubes. Using ice cubes can help to constrict the blood vessels, which help to prevent the drooping effect of the eyelids. It not only helps to prevent sagging eyelids, but also helps to reduce their inflammation. Olive oil. The antioxidants in olive oil help in treating the problem of drooping eyelids pretty well. Heat some olive oil. Once you get to lukewarm temperature, massage your eyelids with it and let it stay overnight. Wash it with cool water. This technique will help in rejuvenating your eyelids at the same time restore the skin elasticity. Plus, olive oil is known to keep the skin moisturized and prevent dryness. Green tea. The anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants in green tea can help to treat sagging eyelids. The polyphenols present in the green tea can help to promote elasticity and also improve the condition. So massaging your eyelids with green tea water or drinking green tea regularly can help to prevent the condition of sagging eyelids. Keep your body hydrated. You should drink lots of water so that it helps to keep your body hydrated. You should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day as it helps to keep your body hydrated. Not drinking enough water is a common reason behind having droopy or sagging eyelids. So, drink lots of water to prevent this problem.